but I can help.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Hector's clothes are awful.
Oh, they're so old-fashioned.
I know. I'll take him shopping.
But Bridget, you're so busy. I'll take him shopping.
No, it's all right. I'll take him shopping.
It's no problem. I'll take him shopping.
I said I'll take him shopping.
You need a... Oh, hi, babe.
Oh, it's you, Nick.
Oh, hi, Nick.
Hector has asked me what clothes to wear.
Yeah, right.
So you need a look like on a fast bike.
No, Hector. Don't listen to Nick. Listen to me.
Okay.
You need a designer look.
No, Hector, that's not for you. You need a cowboy look.
No, a leather jacket.
A bandana and a vest.
A denim shirt.
A motorbike.
Designer.
Cowboy.
Stop! Okay. I will go shopping.
What? On your own?
But you need us.
How? What will you say?
It's okay. Leave it to me. I am the shopkeeper, you are the customer.
Huh?
This is a shop. I sell, you buy.
Oh, okay. Ding dong. Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I
would like...
Oh, I would like a jacket, please.
Trousers.
Huh?
I would like a pair of trousers, please.
Oh, I would like a pair of trousers, please. And a shirt.
No. Shoes. I would like a pair of shoes, please.
I would like a pair of shoes, please. And a cat for my head.
I think you mean a hat. Look. This is a cat.
A cat for my head! A cat for my head!
Hector, come shopping with me.
Or me.
No, me.
He's my pen friend.
All right. Me, you and you will go shopping for Hector a little bit each. I will go to the shoe shop.
And I will go to the clothes shop.
No, I'll go to the clothes shop.
Okay, I'll just buy the shirt.
I'll buy the trousers.
Good.
Good.
Right, let's go. Oh, no! I completely forgot. We need eggs, lemons, and dog food. Oh, it's all right. I'll do it online later.
Eggs, lemons, dog food.
Oh, well done, Hector.
Bye, Hector. Oh, and don't answer the phone. It might be the tarantula.
Bye, Hector. Be good. And if you can't be good, be careful.
Huh?
Never mind.
Nadia, I have a cold. Bridget has a cold, and Hector has new pajamas. Terrible pajamas. Oh, you should see them, Nadia. They are so funny.
Hi, sweetie. I wanted to buy Hector some new clothes on my own. I'll take him shopping. But Annie and Nick said they wanted to shop for Hector as well. So guess what? We're all going shopping for Hector.
Me, you and you will go shopping for Hector a little bit each.
What will he look like?
And Annie thinks Hector needs a cowboy look.
You need a cowboy look.
And I think he needs a biker look like me, yeah?
You need a look like on a fast bike.